Drones present several benefits as a tool for remote visual data collection and internal inspections for the industry and mining. Drone-based inspection is not a technology of the future, it is a necessity for today's digital fast-paced world. With the fourth industrial revolution in motion, organizations are looking to deliver digital transformation of their industrial processes while cutting costs and bettering workers' environments. Elios-3 helps industrials effortlessly achieve these goals by bringing their inspections and mappings to the next level. Relying on the power of computer vision and LiDAR mapping, Elios-3 is a versatile indoor drone opening doors to a world where performing systematic inspections does not require months of training.